elderly Canadians and housing. It is important to think about your future housing needs as you get older. There are several different kinds of seniors housing, so you can find out what types of home support are available in your neighborhood. At the same time, consider your current home to see if there are things you can do to make it easier as you get older. If you have a disability, you might be eligible for government assistance to pay for home renovations. You should also find out what kind of services are available in your community, such as home support. You may want to ask your family doctor and/or someone you trust for any advice or guidance regarding support services. Researching and understanding your options will help you make future decisions about your housing. There are several different types of seniors housing and access to subsidized units for low-income seniors. You will have the option between independent living, retirement homes, and assisted living, nursing homes, or long-term care. You should compare costs and services offered in each setting. To learn more, please visit our website, www.rumanek.com.